the 2019 Dodge Journey. This model accommodates 7 passengers comfortably and provides features such as front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, automatic temperature control, a roof rack, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.